Is your internet acting slow or disconnecting? Restarting your NEtgear router can often fix the problem fast. In this video, I will show easy way to restart your NEtgear router physically and remotely. Let's get started. Method 1. Physical restart. First, unplug the power cord from the back of your NEtgear router and from the power outlet. A full power cycle works best. Wait at least 30 seconds. This gives the router time to fully reset its internal memory and clear any temporary glitches. Plug the power cord and power adapter back in. Watch the LED lights. They will start blinking and then turn solid. This usually takes 1 to 2 minutes. Method 2. Restart via web interface. Connect NEtgear router using Wi-Fi or wired from Ethernet port. Open a web browser and type routerlogin.net or your router's IP address printed on the sticker. Log in using your admin username and password. Find default username password printed on the sticker. Now navigate to the advanced settings. You will see Reboot button under router information. Click on Reboot. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Press OK button to confirm and router will restart. And that's it. Restarting your router is a quick and easy way to fix many common internet issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more tech help. Thanks for watching.